Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Electronics Workshop. Today in this video, we will see the complete circuit diagram of air quality tester, and also we will draw a PCB for this project. In this project air quality tester, we use Node MCU microcontroller and air quality sensors to measure various gases concentration levels, providing valuable insights into the air's purity. Now, let us go into the project in detail. I have placed all the documentation of this project in my website. You can get the link of the website in the description. Let us start with the schematic diagram. This is the circuit diagram of our project. Let us first go through the main component of our project. We are using Node MCU D1 Mini as a main controller in this project. It senses the input data from different sensors and gives the respective output in the display unit. Another important part of our project is input power supply. We have used DC to DC converter that converts the 12-volt DC to 5 volts DC, so that this 5-volt supply can be fed to our controller in different sensors. We have used BME 680 sensor, which helps to measure the humidity, temperature, and barometric pressure. It has I2C interface, so it is connected in I2C pin of Node MCU. This is MIC S5524 sensor, which measures carbon, oxygen, and alcohol level. This sensor is connected to the analog pin of Node MCU. This is T-mount 6000 sensor module. This sensor helps to measure the amount of ambient light falling in the sensor. This sensor also has I2C interface, so it is also connected to the I2C pin of Node MCU. This SGP30 sensor module, which helps to measure the air quality. The CPP combines multiple metal oxide sensing elements on one chip to provide more detailed air quality signals. This sensor is also connected to the I2C interface. SHT40 is digital temperature and humidity sensor, which is also connected to I2C pin of Node MCU. VML7700 is a high-accuracy ambient light digital sensor, which also has I2C interface. SCD30 sensor is carbon dioxide, humidity, and temperature sensor, which is connected to I2C pin of Node MCU. The Sensorion particulate matter sensor SPS30 is a compact, high-quality, optical particle sensor. This sensor is also connected to I2C pin of Node MCU. These are the output LEDs pin, which is controlled by the output pin of Node MCU. We have completed the schematic diagram. Now, let's see the PCB and 3D view of the project.
Now, we are going to place this order in one of the finest PCB manufacturer, PCB Go. So you can go to Google and search for PCB Go or directly click on the link provided in description. After then, you will get this interface. If we are new to this website, we need to first log in with our official Gmail account. Now, it's time to place the order. For the instant quotation, you can use PCB manufacturing calculator section by entering the length, width, and quantity of the PCB you require. In this section, you can select the different requirements needed while manufacturing the PCB, including layer, thickness, solder mask, and so on. After completing all these, you can add your order to basket. Finally, You need to add your Gerber file in this section. In this section you can see the charge of the PCB is only $5. Now our order is under review. After our order get approved, you can directly go to proceed the payment section, pay the respective amount, and get the best quality PCB in your location.
With over 20 years as an industry leader, PCB GoGo Circuits is one of the most experienced PCB manufacturers in China. We're proud to manufacture high-quality PCBs and PCB assembly, and provide a safe and prosperous workplace for our more than 200 employees. It's our goal to be the easiest printed circuit board manufacturer to do business with. To achieve that goal, we just communicate with our PCB customer closely and take actions shortly if there is any question. Each PCB order placed from PCB GoGo will be on-time delivery. We have 24 hours online customer service to handle the engineer questions or problems you may have with your orders. Place your order now on PCBGoGo.com.